Welcome back to our channel. I'm Royal, and today we're going to have so much fun learning about some amazing farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have the chicken. Chickens are birds that can be white, brown, or even black. They love to cluck around the farm. Can you say cluck, cluck? That's the sound they make. Next, we have the cow. Cows are big and strong, and they give us yummy milk. What sound does a cow make? That's right. They say moo. Can you moo like a cow? Now let's meet the donkey. Donkeys are friendly animals with long ears. They like to bray. Can you say hee-haw? That's what a donkey sounds like. Look over there, it's a duck. Ducks can swim in water and waddle on land. They make a fun sound too. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack! Here comes a playful goat. Goats are curious little creatures. They love to munch on grass and climb hills. What sound do they make? That's right. They say ma. Can you do it? Ma. Now, let's say hello to the horse. Horses are fast and strong. They can run really fast. What sound does a horse make? Yes, they say neigh. Can you neigh like a horse? Look at that cute pig. Pigs are known for their snouts and love to roll in the mud. What sound does a pig make? That's right. They say oink. Let's all oink together. Oink, oink. And finally, we have the sheep. Sheep are fluffy and love to graze on grass. What sound do they make? Yes, they say baa. Can you baa like a sheep? Baa baa. Great job, everyone. You did amazing learning about these farm animals today. Now you know what they are and the sounds they make. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye, little learners. See you next time.